Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my another brand new video. It's me, Lukman Hakimi, in front of you. So I'm immigrant of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So currently I'm New Bangladesh. So I'm telling from Kumilla, which is located in Brahmanbaria, Madhupur, Jamtuli Tupi. More exit is my father-in-law house. So today in this video, I'm gonna teach both of my son how to make sentence, how to make affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Okay. So first of all, I'm over to my younger son Aizan or Ayman. Which will be best? Okay, I'm going to over to my elder son Ayman Alif. Hey Ayman Alif, how are you today?
I'm fine and you.
Yeah, I am bright and shiny by the grace of Almighty Allah. So I read a book.
Magdi Boypuri.
I do not read a book.
I'm Boypuri na.
Okay, do I read a book?
Magdi Boypuri.
Okay, do not I read a book?
I'm ki Boypuri na.
When I read a book?
I'm kokon Boypuri.
Where I read a book?
I'm kothay Boypuri.
Okay, with whom do I read a book?
I'm barite Boypuri.
আমি কার সাথে বই পড়ি? With whom do I read a book?
আমি কার সাথে Boypuri.
Okay, thank you for your answer. So I'm over to my younger son Aizan. Aizan looks like hero, mashallah. Hey Aizan, how are you today?
I'm fine and you.
Yeah, I'm cool and dandy by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, Aizan, I go.
আমি যাই.
I do not go.
আমি যাই না.
Do I go?
আমি কি যাই?
Okay, do not I go?
আমি কি যাই না?
Oh, mashallah, this great sound is fantastic. Okay, when I go, আমি কখন যাই?
আমি কখন যাই?
Or where I go,
আমি কি
কোথায় যাই?
আমি কোথায় যাই?
Or with whom do I go? আমি কার সাথে যাই?
আমি কার সাথে যাই?
Thank you for answering. Have a wonderful and mesmerizing day, my younger son, my beloved son, Aizan Sharkar. Okay, if you found any value in this brand new video, please share this video on your timeline and knowledge share is alternative happiness. If you love global English language, you can drop a message in the comment section and give a thumbs up and hit the share button. And share is alternative happiness. And if you are new subscriber, if you are new viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my page. Okay, Lukman Hakimi English Academy. So see you some other time. It's me Lukman Hakimi from New Bangladesh. Okay, have a great day. All the best. My elder son Ayman Alif and younger son Aizan. My elder son study in class 4. He is a first boy in his class. And younger son study in class 1 and he is a second boy in his class, inshallah. And hope to see you soon.
প্রণাম.